Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the information you need to succeed in various aspects of life. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to enter the captivating world of pageantry. Whether you're dreaming of becoming the next Miss World or aiming for other prestigious titles, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's establish the basics. To enter the pageant world, there are a few essential steps you need to take. Our team has done thorough research, and we've got all the information you need to get started. The first step is to ensure that you meet the gender requirements of the pageant you wish to enter. While some pageants are open to all genders, others, like Miss World, have specific rules. For Miss World, you must legally identify as a woman. However, it's essential to note that rules may vary from country to country. So, always check the guidelines that apply to you. Next, you'll need to verify your citizenship in the country you wish to represent. Although you don't necessarily have to be born in that country, you must possess legal documentation of citizenship. Now that you've sorted out your eligibility, it's time to apply for the pageant of your dreams. Most pageants have specific age requirements, so make sure you fall within the age range specified. When it comes to applying for pageants, you'll often find the application process online. Many pageants have official websites where you can find detailed application forms. Let's take a quick look at an example. Apart from the basic eligibility criteria, some pageants might have additional requirements. For instance, most pageants expect contestants to be unmarried and childless to hold the title of Miss. Moreover, maintaining a clean legal record is crucial. So, ensure you have no legal troubles or criminal record. The pageant world values individuals who uphold a positive reputation and contribute positively to society. Pageants like Miss World emphasize the importance of being a well-rounded individual, promoting social causes, and demonstrating talent and intelligence. Remember, these pageants are not solely about beauty. They value inner qualities and the ability to make a difference in the world. Once you've fulfilled all the requirements, it's time to dive into extensive research and preparation. Study the pageant's history, past winners, and the criteria on which the judges will evaluate you. Work on developing your talent, whether it's singing, dancing, or public speaking. Prepare mentally and emotionally. Participating in pageants requires mental and emotional preparation. It's important to develop a positive mindset, confidence, and resilience. Set goals for yourself, visualize success, and work on building your self-esteem. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who believe in you and your pageant journey. Develop your skills. Pageants involve various competitions, such as interview, talent, evening gown, and swimsuit. Identify your strengths and weaknesses in each area and work on enhancing your skills. Seek guidance from experienced coaches or mentors who can provide valuable advice and training. Attend workshops and classes to improve your public speaking, stage presence, and overall performance. Build a pageant wardrobe. As a pageant contestant, you'll need appropriate attire for different rounds and appearances. Start building your pageant wardrobe by selecting outfits that reflect your style, personality, and the requirements of each competition. Consult with a pageant coach or do research to get ideas and inspiration. Ensure your wardrobe choices are elegant, well-fitted, and suitable for the pageant's guidelines. Get involved in community service. Pageantry often emphasizes the importance of giving back to the community. Engage in volunteer work or community service initiatives to make a positive impact. Choose causes that resonate with you and align with the pageant's values. Demonstrating a genuine commitment to serving others can enhance your pageant journey and make you a well-rounded contestant. Network and seek support. Connect with past pageant contestants, winners, and industry professionals to expand your network. Attend pageant-related events, workshops, and conferences to meet like-minded individuals and learn from their experiences. Engage with pageant communities online through social media platforms and forums. Seek guidance and support from mentors who can provide valuable insights and advice. Stay focused and dedicated. The pageant journey can be demanding and challenging at times. Stay focused on your goals, maintain a positive attitude, and persevere through setbacks. Dedicate time to practice and improve your skills consistently. Remember that hard work, determination, and a genuine passion for pageantry can greatly contribute to your success. Remember, entering the pageant world requires dedication, hard work, and a belief in yourself. It's not just about the crown, it's about the personal growth and opportunities that come along with it. So, if you're passionate about pageantry and ready to embark on this exciting journey, take the necessary steps, put in the effort, and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And remember, you're beautiful inside and out. Stay confident and keep shining.